Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Ascot Primary from St. Catherine up against Chetwood Memorial Primary from St. James. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Chetwood Memorial Primary won and decided to go first in this instance. So we'll begin with Chetwood Memorial Primary. Now in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. So with that said, we begin with Chetwood. Bible knowledge, what showed that Samson was dedicated to God?
He's here.
That's correct. Please speak up. Ascot, Bible knowledge, which woman convinced Samson to reveal his secret?
Which woman convinced Samson to reveal his secret?
Delilah.
That's correct. Chetwood, science, what is the female part of a flower called?
Stigma.
Incorrect. Pistil, science, Ascot, what is the name for the fine grains containing male sex cells that take part in the process of fertilization in plants?
Fine grains that contain male sex cells that take part in fertilization.
Pollen.
Correct. Chetwood, international affairs. Which of these countries shares a land border with Guyana? Is it Brazil, Argentina, or Chile?
Chile.
Incorrect. Brazil. Ascot, international affairs. Which of these countries shares a land border with Mexico? Is it Belize, Panama, or El Salvador?
Belize, Panama, or El Salvador. She's a border with
Mexico. Panama.
Incorrect. Belize. Chetwood, English language. Spell ascend, which means to go up.
ASCEND.
Correct. Ascot, English language. Spell recite, which means to repeat from memory.
R-E-C-I-T-E? Yes. Mind, R-E-C-I-T-E.
That's correct. Television, Chetwood. Which character in the children's program Sesame Street is known as the Grouch? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Ascot?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Go ahead.
Elmerford.
Incorrect. Oscar, television, Ascot. Which character in the children's program Sesame Street is a frog?
Which character in the children's program Sesame Street is a frog?
Kermit is correct. Chetwood, general knowledge. In which European country is the famous Red Square located?
Red Square. France.
Incorrect. Russia. Ascot, general knowledge. In which country is the famous Sydney Opera House?
Which country is the famous Sydney Opera House?
Australia.
That is correct. Chetwood, social studies. What is the smallest planet in the solar system?
Mercury.
Mercury is correct. Ascot, social studies. What is the name of the path which planets follow to move around the sun?
What is the name of the path which
Planets follow to move around the sun.
Orbit.
Correct. Chetwood, music. The Tough Gong label was associated with which Jamaican singer?
Bob Marley.
That's right. Ascot, music. Which local artist is nicknamed Gargamel?
Which local artist is nicknamed Gargamel? Buju
That's correct. Mathematics, Chetwood. If x equals 4 and y equals 7, what is the value of 6x minus 2y? Correct. Ascot, mathematics. If x equals 5 and y equals 9, what is the value of 5x plus 5y?
70.
That's correct. Sports, and we don't have time for any more questions in this section. The scores are Ascot Primary on 8 and Chetwood Memorial Primary on 5. Now please stay with us. When we return, more Quest for Quiz.